beginners, do you know what is scale expressions?
No, Father.
Should I teach?
Yes,
Father.
Father.
Yes, Father. We need.
Yeah, scale means if there is a scale expression in the question statement and in the text, you will be easily identify the answer without even reading the text. Scale means all, most, many, a few means some, then few. Few means zero. All is not most is not many is not a few is not few. There are few students in the classroom means there are no students in the classroom. Few means negative. A few means some. There is little water in the well means there is no water, it is dry. There is a little water in the well means there is some water in the well. Now, other scale expressions could be all, most, majority, minority, a few, few. This way also they can give you the expressions. Okay, most after most, you can see majority. See, all means 100. Most means 90 plus or 80 plus, depending on the situation. Most of the students are interested in studies, OET studies. Majority means 51 plus. Minority means anything less than 50. A few means more than one anything. Few means 0. Now scale, boiled water, hot water, warm water, cold water, ice. So boiled is not hot, hot is not warm, warm is not cold, cold is not ice. This is scale. And the extremes, all and never, those extremes are known as absolute words, which we'll learn later. Okay, some other expressions like always, often, most of the time, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never. See, always and never are known as the absolutes, the other and this end. And later on, when I teach you elimination, you will understand if in your answer options, any of the absolute words are used, immediately you can eliminate those options. They will never be right. Other expressions, I'm giving you an idea. Scale means this type of gradation. Most important, important, most important, not important. Important is not significant. Significant is not insignificant. Insignificant is not negligible. These are the scales. See here, the scales, expressions, all these, almost, majority, many, a few, few. Boiling hot, warm, cold, ice, more than 2, at least 2, a standard. Okay, statement is many foreign students do the OET test in their home countries. Reading passage says most overseas students sit to the OET test in their country of origin. Is it same?
No, Father.
No, Father.
They are not same. Many means not most. Foreign students, you see synonyms or synonymous expressions. Foreign students, overseas students. Sit, do. The synonym of sit in this sentence is do. In their home countries, in their country of origin. See, these are known as synonyms or synonymous expressions. And most of those questions will use such synonymous expressions or paraphrasing, which you should understand. Now, come on here. Can somebody read this question?
Most children born will develop hepatitis B if their mother. Option A has hepatitis B enveloped antigen. Option B is a chronic carrier of hepatitis surface antigen. Option C has hepatitis B envelope and surface antigen.
Okay, now do you have a scale expression here?
Yes, Father, most.
Most.
Most. Now you see how simple it is. Now this is the paragraph. Now in the question stem, there is a word most. And other strategies say when you have numbers or percentages, you have to look into the percentages. Now we will just highlight the numbers, percentages, okay? And let us see which is the most. Any other percentages here? 3%,
3%,
9%,
9%,
7%.
7%.
70 to 90.
So here you see mother to child transmission. This is the focus of the paragraph. Risk associated with hepatitis B in pregnancy. Mother to child transmission is the focus of the paragraph. Now the question is most children born will develop hepatitis B if their mother. Now which is most now here among these highlighted percentages?
70 to 90.
90%.
70 to?
90%.
Okay, 70 to 90%. So that comes here in this sentence, right?
Yes, Father. Yes,
If you
Father.
read this sentence, what does it mean?
The risk of perinatal transmission is associated with the hepatitis B envelope antigen, especially status of the mother, if a human is both hepatitis surface antigen, that is HBsAg and HBsAg positive, 70 to 90% of her children will develop hepatitis B.
If a woman is both hepatitis surface antigen and HBeAg O positive, of her 70 to 90%, most of her children will develop hepatitis B. Both. So these scale expressions help you to identify. Okay, if a woman is both hepatitis B. So the question is, most children born will develop hepatitis B if their mother has hepatitis B envelope antigen, means 1, is a chronic carrier of hepatitis surface antigen. C, as hepatitis B envelope and surface antigen. Which will be the answer?
C.
Yeah.
Both.
Only this
both.
has and, right? Both means only here there is and, correct?
Yes, Father.
So immediately you can find the answer. Both means C. Their mother, synonymous expression is woman. If a woman, envelope and surface antigen, both, and synonymous expression is both. So you see, 70 to 90% most. This speaks about hepatitis B envelope antigen. Second one speaks about is a chronic carrier of hepatitis surface antigen. That speaks only about one and one. But only C option speaks about both. So you have 70 to 90% as the clue or the strategy immediately to reach the answer.